You can't outrun a bad diet. Have you ever diet? Have you ever heard that before? How hard is that? Though eating more healthfully is difficult, I know. But did you know that up to 30% of all cancers can be prevented with diet and healthful eating? We'll go over some different ways to get in all your uh, fruits, vegetables, meats, and other proteins coming up. So I'm going to take you through 10 reasons why eating a healthful diet is beneficial. Stay tuned. Number one is pretty obvious, but it's the most common. New Year's goal and just goal in general, and that's weight loss. One of the happy side effects of eating a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean meats or proteins is weight loss. Eating lean protein keeps you feeling fuller longer and may keep you from heading to the vending machine on your break for that snack in the afternoon or and grabbing that sugary coffee drink. Opt for black coffee and turkey is some sort of lean protein, and mama is a good vegetarian option and as a benefit, increased protein intake also leads to increased muscle mass, which helps you burn more calories throughout the day. More muscle equals more calories burned while you're doing nothing. The second thing is a reduced cancer risk. It's known about the role of plants in fighting many types of cancer. Your choice of beverage can also reduce your risk of cancer, like green tea and others like white tea or coffee even have a whole big thing of powerful cancer fighting antioxidants. Cooking with olive oil and monounsaturated fat may lower the risk of breast cancer. Actually, they've done some studies and found that in the Mediterranean region where they eat a lot of olives and other unsaturated fat sources, the risk of breast cancer is about 50% lower. Salmon, tuna, and herring are high in omega-3 fatty acids, tend to reduce risk of prostate cancer for guys. So in your fats but make sure they're lean sources or unsaturated fats to lower your risk of cancer. The third benefit is diabetes management. Like when you're eating a balanced diet, it helps with type 2 diabetes because of the fiber, protein, and fat, along with carbs instead of just a big carb. Insulin spike and helps keep your blood sugar levels in check. Type 1 diabetes is a little different. Well, kind of a lot. You're still going to have to depend on insulin because in type 1 diabetes, you don't produce insulin normally. Keep that in mind. The fourth one is it helps with your heart. Although fat has been villainized for a long time, and in the media particularly, it is a good thing, but the average American diet consists of a bad ratio of 12 to 1 up to 20 to 1 omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. The imbalance intake is a major cause of obesity, heart disease, and even diabetes. Omega-6s are pro-inflammatory and cause blood clots in the circulation. So balancing the ratio to more between 4 to 1 to 1 to 1 equal helps lower the triglycerides and reduce the rate of growth of those blood clots, as well as preventing inflammation. The next one kind of goes with heart health, and that's stroke prevention. Did you know that high blood pressure is the leading risk factor for stroke? Eating foods high in potassium like bananas, melons, even potatoes of any kind, prunes and tomatoes help keep blood pressure within normal ranges. Generally, eating a heart healthy diet is also a great prevention for stroke, and because if your arteries don't get inflamed as much and the plaques don't grow, the blood clots in your arteries, you all said blood can go smooth down the road. The next one, number 7, isn't as obvious, but strong bones and teeth. Remember those old commercials with athletes and actors proudly wearing the milk mustache, calcium-rich foods like dairy, almonds, spinach, and even tofu support healthy bone development. Phosphorus helps strengthen teeth and is found in beans, dairy, eggs, fish, and nuts. When you might not think of is improving your mood. And now, I'm not saying you should eat emotionally, and because emotional eating tends to wreak havoc on your health if done for too long. But next time you're feeling a little sad or hungry or cranky, try reaching for some yogurt or something like that, but not the frozen kind. Probiotics that feed your intestinal bacteria may change the activity in your brain, causing you to feel less sad. And there's a growing body of evidence pointing to the gut brain axis. And so, if guys, think with your stomach, girls, you do too. And we really don't know whether your brain up here or your stomach came first. So they're connected, as well as caffeine can also help with your mood. I know this for a fact. Like when I'm sad, I drink abundant amounts of coffee, and that actually triggers release of dopamine, which is known for improving performance, mood, and memory. But if you aren't a coffee drinker, why not? And by more seriously, you could try any sort of tea like black, green, or even chai. Herbal teas don't have the caffeine, but they have other compounds that help mood. So, do you remember that gut brain axis I've been talking about? Well, turns out that having a healthy gut microbiome, and here I know of several supplements that help with that. And so just comment below and I'll reach out. According to the research, there's up to 1,000 species of bacteria in the human gut. The food you eat affects the diversity of them. The more diverse, the healthier your body. For example, eating a lot of animal-based foods may increase TMAO, a chemical produced by some unhealthy bacteria that contributes to block arteries and heart attacks. But don't worry, red meat and foods like that are animal based aren't necessarily all bad, and they do contain a lot of the most bioavailable protein. The last benefit is healthy or healthful, as I like to say. Eating improves your sleep. Diets low in fiber and high in saturated fats tend to decrease the amount of deep sleep you get each night. Also called slow wave sleep. eh, It's really important for memory consolidation. Eating foods rich in B vitamins like most meats may help regulate melatonin and the hormone that controls sleep cycles in the pineal gland. And I've linked the article I read from the ISSA in the description, so you have access to all this information. If you want any sort of help, just comment below your questions and I'll answer them. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.